with your videotape is a course index. This contains reference numbers which will allow you to quickly access sections and topics with ease. In order to use this, you should reset the counter on your VCR to 0 now.
If you depend on computers and software, Viagrafix is the right choice for you. When you use video training, you learn faster, retain more, and perform better at your computer. And best of all, less time at your computer means more time for you and the things that are really important. This videotape is designed to help you learn your software quickly and efficiently. Follow these 3 easy steps to get the most from this tape. First, watch the entire video all the way through. Second, watch the tape again, this time in 2 to 10-minute sections. Be sure to take your time to stop and practice the exercises or concepts on this video. To help you with this, we've inserted pauses into the tape. When you see this screen and hear this music, this is a suggested spot for you to stop or pause the tape. We recommend that you practice your computer skills at the pause points. Finally, rewind and refer back to the tape. You can do this as often as you need to. The video is divided into chapters so you can easily find the areas where you need to review. You may continue the process until you master the concepts. Most Viagrafix training tapes also include a learning disc. You may use the sample data files on this disc to build your confidence by practicing on your own computer what you've learned from the video. The disc files are designed to work with software applications and will not run by themselves. Viagrafix offers the most comprehensive collection of computer video training tapes available, from beginning to advanced levels. Please let us know how these videos work for you. Your comments are welcome and do make a difference. Let video training make the difference for you. Thank you for choosing a Viagrafix training video.